this is the part 7 of the tutorial. Let's continue now to see some HTML content in our project. For the views, Laravel use the Blade template engine, which is a very powerful engine provided with Laravel. So all the Blade views are compiled onto a plain PHP code and cached until they are modified. So let's see where we can find our Blade template file. We can use it, find it inside resources. After that view, this is a file for Blade template engine. You can see it is a combination between HTML. You see HTML, and with the HTML you see like when you see this it means some directive belongs to Blade template engine. So those directive is given by Blade template to facilitate your work. You can find it here, many of those directive. For example, we have if, unless, auth. We will discuss those directives with in deep details after. So let's continue. So why we using this Blade engine? We have two main benefits of use it. We have the inheritance, using of inheritance, because after we will use a layout, and that layout be used after by some file. So we will discuss the inheritance after, and also we have the usage of sections. The sections are a portion of code. We can put it inside our file, can be reusable after. So we will discuss inheritance and sections after. So this is a typically a Blade template page. So now let's create our first HTML response. So to create a response, here we use this return. Let's create a title. Okay, so this anonymous function is the controller. In this case will generate the response for us. So let's inspect and see. Okay, it is generated here in the inside the body. So, but you realize this is not the convenient way of to do. So let's create with the function view. If you want to see some content, some HTML content, we use this view function. This view function take two parameters. The first parameter is the template name. So by convention with the Laravel we use the same as name, and for the second parameter is the data. This data will get passed inside our page. We said before, this is not called accidentally for this dot sign. This, when you see this dot sign, is indicate there is a directory here. So we will create this page directory. After that, after the page directory, we create the index .blade.php file. So let's go to resources, view, create a new directory, new folder, so we call it page. After that we create a file, let's call it index.blade.php. okay, so let's create a boilerplate HTML here. As the title we give for example the index post page 3 point, and as a content let's create a paragraph. Inside the paragraph just generic text, lorem ipsum. So okay, let's save and see the result here. Okay, as you can see here, as a title we have the index page post 3 point, and this generic text is get shown. So this is the introduction for the Blade engine template. We will discuss the different aspects of this engine in coming video. Thank you for watching, and bye.